It's taken me a lot of courage to write this time. Courage, I say, because I am still shaken. After having lost a friend 14 years ago to depression and suicide, and having had my share of battles, I know how dark those lanes can be. Every time someone commits suicide, we as a society, we as humans, we as family and friends fail. We failed that person, and then we continue being judgmental even after that person is gone. He was doing so well in his career. Then why? Oh, but he had a dream career. Then why was he depressed? He was so successful. What would make him take his life? And the judgments go on and on and on. And we keep failing more and more. Success, money, fame are not barometers of happiness, inner peace, and mental equilibrium. Depression doesn't need a reason. Depression is an illness, like any other illness. Can we control a headache, backache, BP, thyroid, heart attacks, cancer, etc.? No. The same way depression is a chemical imbalance which does not need a reason. We don't ever say, so and so was so successful, so how could they get cancer or BP or heart attack? But we do say, he was doing so well, so how could he have been depressed? And we fail again. We all say, he should have come forward, shared, spoken about his feelings. But we don't say, we saw the red flags. It is impossible that there were none. It's just that we didn't notice or we didn't give it enough weightage. A person who is suffering is not capable of seeing the downfall. He is unable to save himself. A person who doesn't know how to swim cannot save himself from drowning. Do we say that because he did not scream, "Help, help," we didn't go and save him? From the beginning, we have prepared our children for the professional world. But what about personal life? Our educational system has subjects to teach someone to become a doctor, engineer, artist even. But what about becoming a successful person? And let me be clear here that the definition of success is happiness, peace, compassion, inner balance, mental fitness, and being free from insecurities and fear. We don't realize that worldly success may give us financial stability and security, but not emotional and mental stability. We forget to teach our kids all this and how to fail. We only talk about winning, and here we fail again. Have you ever been told it's okay to lose? Have you ever heard someone say it's okay to be lesser than the other? We never talk about how it's okay to share one's fears and emotions without being judged. You won't be looked down upon because you have mental imbalance. You won't be humiliated if you don't achieve big heights in your career. You won't be lacking if you have less money than others. You won't be left alone if you continue to stay low and sad for as long as you feel so. And most importantly, you won't be judged for being you. The day we are able to achieve this, we will be successful as humans. Till then, however successful materialistically we may be, we on the whole will keep failing every time we lose one more life to a suicide. For now, let the departed soul truly rest in peace. And stop the judgments, the conspiracy theories. Stop the hidden agendas and stop the sensationalizing. No matter how much we dig, we shall never know how he felt and what led him to this stage. For all we know, we have lost. But let him at least teach us a lesson. One on how to be more human. A better human. From one human being to another, Juhi Parmar.